This is your 1-minute coder news from the Voice of Custom Coding. Tiger Drylac announces 2 new color additions to its Metallics product line, called Flip Flop Metallics, employing color-changing effects which are weather-resistant and super durable. The first 2 are named Sunrise Black and Tropical Red. Both look best sprayed over black, but works with any base color. You can finish off with a glossy or matte clear top coat. Tiger claims it's a smooth application with little or no rework required. With its high brilliance, it gives excellent batch-to-batch consistency. Flip-Flop Metallic products are now formulated in Tiger Drylac Series 58 chemistry and may be ordered by any Tiger location across America. And that's been your 1-minute coder news. See you next time.